SAT math people. Today we're going to work on exponents. Okay, let's do some math. If 10 to the k equals 64, what is the value of 10 to the k over 2 plus 1? Okay, so we have 10 to the k equals 64, and I'm going to write down some rules on the right-hand side in a different color. So in the orange, we've got one rule: a to the m raised to the power of m is equal to the a to the n times m. So I'm going to multiply both sides raise both sides by the power of 1/2 because I want to get that k over 2, and then we'll worry about the plus 1 in a minute. So I'm going to raise both sides to the power of 1/2. And then a to the n over m is equal to the mth root of a to the n. So the left-hand side becomes 10 to the k over 2 because k times 1/2 is k over 2. And 64 to the 1/2 becomes the square root of 64. And the 2 is implied there. That m is really 2, but we don't write a 2 there because it's square root. Okay, so the square root of 64 is 8. So we have 10 to the k over 2 is equal to 8. Now we got to get that plus 1 up there in the exponent. So how do we do that? Well, a to the n times a to the m is equal to a to the n plus m. So we are going to multiply both sides by 10 to the first power because we want the same base, and we're going to add the exponents on the left-hand side, and that's how we're going to get that k over 2 plus 1 as an exponent. So we have 10 to the k over 2 plus 1 equals 10 to the 1 times 8, which is 80. And C is the answer.